Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience. Today, we're diving into O2's international roaming options, specifically their travel inclusive zone. Navigating international roaming can be tricky, but O2 aims to simplify things with this offering. Let's explore what it covers and how it works. O2's travel inclusive zone encompasses a substantial list of destinations, effectively allowing you to use your existing UK allowance in these locations without incurring extra charges. Imagine traveling and being able to call, text, and use your data just like you do at home. That's the core idea behind the travel inclusive zone. This can be a game changer for frequent travelers or those who need to stay connected seamlessly while abroad. No more worrying about exorbitant roaming bills or scrambling to find local eSIM cards. You can stick with your O2 eSIM and maintain your usual communication habits. The official O2 website provides a comprehensive list of the countries included in the travel inclusive zone, and it's a good idea to double-check that your destination is covered before you travel. Policies and availability can change, so staying up to date is key. This can save you from potential surprises and ensure a smooth travel experience. Remember to visit https://www.o2.co.uk/international/travel-inclusive-zone for the latest information. It's a valuable resource to help you plan your trip and manage your mobile usage abroad. Understanding the specifics of the travel inclusive zone will empower you to stay connected without breaking the bank. Be sure to explore their site for a full breakdown of terms and conditions. Utilizing your UK allowance in numerous international destinations makes staying in touch simpler and more cost-effective. Make sure to leverage this feature to maximize your O2 plan while traveling.